What's up, guys? Am I in the shop?
So it's been a long time since a real video, and I'm here to explain why. It's officially been about a year and a half at How To Tech.
What's up, guys?
Hey guys!
What's up, you guys? What's up, guys? Hey guys!
This is Andrew.
Yeah, we're proud of ourselves, but some things just need a change.
Today, starting this video, we are promising to completely reinvent How To Tech. A new concept, a new website, a new intro, a new everything.
It all starts with a goal to eliminate all people to come over and fix your little techie problems, and instead do it on the internet because it's a whole lot faster.
With the new How To Tech, we also promise to make the videos more clear and understanding and easy to learn. And while we're at it, we now have a fancy new intro and website, completely taking out the old and in with the new.
So now it is our duty to make the videos easier and give the channel a little more personality and teach you how to
Tech. The reason why this video is short because A, it is boring, B, we only record 2 videos.
see you in the next video.
Are you serious, Andrew? The first video and you start us out with a bad kickoff by copyright strikes?
Sorry.